Movies show hackers effortlessly breaking into mobile phones. But is this really how it works? Let's explore a fictional hacking case. David, a journalist, received an email labeled confidentialevidence.pdf. He mistakenly clicked it, granting spyware access to his mobile. After the click, David's phone started acting strange. Battery drained, random ads popped up, he knew something was wrong. Phishing is a classic technique. The hacker relied on David's mistake of opening the suspicious attachment. Movies exaggerate hacking speed. Real attacks take time and require user errors, unlike the instant access depicted in films. To protect your phone, avoid suspicious links, update regularly, and use strong passwords. These steps can safeguard your device. Stay vigilant and secure. Real hacking is complex and requires user vulnerabilities. Follow best practices to minimize risks.